through discover.com. So if you guys have a credit card or a debit card through Discover, it will make it easier to get loans through this bank. So they also have a payments and interest calculator. So let's say the most you can borrow is 40K. Depending on the credit score, if you have a low credit score, you would definitely get a higher APR. So the high APR would be about 21%, which is pretty high. And you will be paying about $24,000 or $25,000 in total interest rates. But if you pay it sooner, then you won't be paying that much. So the monthly payment for this will be around $1,000. So this is like a car payment. When it comes to personal loans, I recommend you don't borrow too much. If you work a 9 to 5 especially, the most you should borrow should be around $5,000 to $20,000 or 25. I wouldn't go too high. If you're doing 6 figures, then you could just do the 40 or 20K. And for the length, I recommend you pay within 48 to 60 months. Going over that will be really bad for the interest rate. So also make sure you have a good credit score so you get a better APR. So let's say your score is like a 709. So this will be the results right here. APR will be 18%. So you'll be paying $1,000 a month. So it's basically like paying for a car. But if you have a car loan and you're doing the personal loan, then that's a lot of debt in your hands. So I recommend for you to get approved for this, you can go to a Tradelines site, and this is nationcredlines.com. You can add something like, let me see, I'm gonna go through the credit line package right here. So for example, so this is a credit line package. It will have credit lines, all trade lines, and installment loans. It will port to all 3 bureaus. So if you add something like this to your credit, or even this one, they also got other trade lines. For example, they have primary store accounts, store credit card trade lines, closed accounts. They have travel accounts. They have bulk packages right here. So if you have something like this, most definitely they'll approve you for the loan around up to 40K. And make sure you guys get the trade lines on your credit beforehand, before applying through Discover. Also, once they boost your credit score with the trade lines, you get a better lower APR rate. So let's say your credit score is almost a 800 right here, then your APR will be pretty solid. So I recommend you add something like this through nationcredlines.com. But I'll leave all the